Everybody wants money. Scratch that. Everybody needs money. Scratch that. Everybody wants and needs money, and anyone who says they don't is lying through their teeth.
The problem with money is that for something so important, there aren't that many ways to make good money legitimately. And that's why we are here to talk to you, or rather, to teach you how to make money by trading Forex. We promise you this will be very simple. But first, what is Forex?
Forex is short for foreign exchange market, like the market or shop or store where you get your goods. The Forex market involves a lot of buying and selling. Now, in the Forex market, it's not food you're buying, it's currencies like the Naira or the US dollar or the British pounds.
Currencies are important because they allow you and I to buy the actual goods you go to the store to get. Think about it this way. If you want to buy a new phone, you would go to a physical or virtual store to get one. Hello, Instagram vendors.
Hi guys. Now, once you agree to a price in Naira, you would choose your purchase and voila! You have yourself a brand new phone. But before that phone got to the store, someone from the store paid in British pounds to have it imported. Now, before it was imported, somebody paid in Chinese yuan to have it assembled. And before it was assembled, someone paid in US dollars to have it designed. Do you see where we're going with this?
One trade you concluded in Naira had a transaction history that spanned at least 3 continents and 3 different currencies, and all these currencies had to be exchanged. This is why Forex trading exists. It is the engine that allows international currencies to be exchanged in order to cross-border trade and business.
Very well said, Bobby. Forex trading is very interesting because it happens electronically over the counter, OTC. Now, that is the fancy way of saying all you need to do to get started is to finish this course and download the Octa FX app.
The market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, and currencies are traded from the major financial centers of London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, and Sydney, across almost every time zone. When the trading day in the US ends, the Forex market in Tokyo and Hong Kong are just beginning.
Wow. The Forex market is also the most liquid market in the world, which is another fancy way of saying that unlike fixed deposits and mutual funds, it doesn't take a lot of time to put your money in or get your money out.
All this means that there is a never-ending opportunity for you to make a lot of money if you have the right tools. And that is what we are going to give you. All you have to do is stick with us and hit the button for the next lesson.